G'day trendsetters, why is the corn always lost? Because it lives in a maze. And when is corn like a little quiz? When it's popped. G'day trendsetters, Stuart here. And today, if you hadn't guessed already, I'm planting corn. Today isn't so much of a how-to, it's what's happening. And what's happening is I've got this little corner where I was planning to plant corn. And my plans have been brought forward, or I've brought my plans forward because they're predicted rain, and it's looking pretty good. It's fairly grey and overcast, and there's even a few storm warnings out and about at the moment. I just quickly wanted to add why I like to plant before rain's coming. There's nothing magical about it. Nothing germinates seed like rain. Simple as that. If there's rain coming, and I've got planting planned, I will always run out and bung in whatever I can, wherever I can, before it gets here, because it'll halve the germination time. Nothing beats rain. Full stop. I've already done a little bit of preparation work here. I've turned the soil, cleaned out there's a lot of couch grass running in from the side of the fence there. and I've applied a generous couple of handfuls per square metre of pelletized composted chicken manure. So having done that, I'm not going to do anything more than basically follow the directions on the back of the pack, plant 2.5 centimetres deep, which is up to the first knuckle. I'll just poke them into the ground. I'm not going to make any little rows. Well, they say 50 to 60 centimetres apart, so I might get 1, 2 and maybe a third row up there, up to the dahlia you can see there. I've also got some sunflowers I wanted to plant, and I'll plant them from the dahlia up to where the camera's standing now, which is probably the bit you can't see. So there's nothing much more to it than for me just to bung them in the ground. But while I was at Bunnings, I thought, what the heck, I bought a second packet of seeds, and these are for you. For the first comment that you put into the comment sections, I'll give you these 3 packets of seeds. I'll mail them to you. So first comment gets a packet of seeds, just for a bit of fun. What else? Hang on, I'll check my list. Oh, I know. Why don't people laugh at the gardener's jokes? Because they're a bit corny. All right. Soil forked over, added fertiliser, compost, chicken manure, planters and giveaways. So that's about it. It's short and sweet. I'll just get to work now before it rains. It's looking pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, share. Click the little notification bells if you want to see more of my videos. If there's something you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. Or if anything else you'd like to know about growing corn or anything, I'd love to hear from you. So, but that's it. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.